Hello guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can access DTW online classes mock exams. Okay, and I have invited you earlier on to join us. We are going to have 3 mock exams to round up preparation towards the JAMB 2025 examination, which is on the 25th of April. Okay, so how do you get access to it? So let me just quickly show you. Okay, just come here. All right, you see the links to the exam you have for chemistry, literature, almost all the topics mostly that people mostly do. That's the subjects we offer in our online classes. Okay, so all you need to do is come to dtwtutorials.com. I hope you can see this clearly. dtwtutorials.com, then come to academics, come to guides. This is where I have dropped the link to the mock exams. Okay, and when you just come here, you just click on this link. When you click on this link, okay, it takes you to the test. Can you see this? Please do make sure you put in your correct email so we can send you your result. You can see, you see this exam, JAMB exam is a test of instruction. Follow instructions. Put in your email correctly, okay? And when you do this, I won't do this because TikTok, anything you put phone number or email, it will just bring down the video, okay? But when you put in your details, you would enter the exam interface, and it is timed. So please be ready. Can you see the time? Can you see the time? I've already opened up this is on chemistry. Okay, so please, it's not that you are cooking and you are doing exam or washing plate and you want to do. Sit down. It's an exam, it's timed, and you just have one chance to do it for any of the subjects. Okay, it's limited to one trial. All right, so please, when you do this, the results will be sent to your email. So this is how you just click on any of the links, okay, down here, any subjects you're taking, and do the test. So mock exams is tomorrow, which is 10th of April. So if you have any friends doing the mock, or maybe you're not doing the mock, please do share to help someone. Okay, they're already panicking and all that. So at least this, when they do one test, it checks them and they do another one timed. Okay, and I always advise everyone, please get the DTW JAMB CBT app. Okay, I'm just releasing this freely for those that don't have the app. The app is 4,000 naira, shawarma is 4,000. So, and you will save up to buy shawarma. So why can't you save up to buy something that would help you? Okay, so I get it and practice. It is 16 days to exam. You need to be practicing. All right, so please do come, share, and try this. Okay, this is going to put you in exam mode. Try it. If you want to join our online classes, we have 2 more mocks to go. Okay, in the next 14 days we have 2 more mocks in DTW online classes. If you want to join us after we do the mock classes, the revision, even the mock 1, the revision, the answers with the teachers, the recorded videos, you would watch it if you join us. So I'm inviting you to join us for mock 2 and mock 3 with the revisions. Okay, I'm not going to share that out. I'm just giving this out to you to ginger you to step up, okay, and start preparing. So come join us. My WhatsApp details is here. All right, these are my WhatsApp details. WhatsApp me if you want to join our classes or get the DTW JAMB CBT app. All right, thank you so much. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. He loves you. He loves you. He loves you. He loves you. Okay, there's no one that loves you more than Jesus. Come to him today. You are destined to win. See you in our next video.